Okay guys, I just got the best parking. It already had 25 minutes in it, but it's an hour parking only, so I just paid the whole hour. I'm walking over to Louis Vuitton. Literally just have to cross the street and I'm there. Wow, what a blessed day. Already I feel like the universe is on my side. I'm gonna try to vlog without anyone telling me no. So I'm in the women's stuff. I didn't know they had all this cute seating. Okay. Anyways, this lady's helping them, so I'm gonna wait. But I do love the Rose Divins perfume. I have a whole video review on it, so you guys can check it out. It's pretty much the only one that I like. Service. First of all, I'm vlogging. There's nobody up here to tell me no ma'am. They brought your girls some water. I'm just out here living my best Louis Vuitton life. Like, this is my house. Welcome to my home. But I'm getting these in a 40 because these are really tight. I feel like they run pretty small. All right guys, I'm just checking out. Sorry, I want to fangirl a little bit. Patricia is here from YouTube. I want to go say hi, but she's on the phone. I did. I said hi. Patricia looks beautiful.
Oh, thank you. I don't feel it, but hey.
Stop! I knew I recognized that accent. I was like, I have to say hi.
Hey. Oh, so nice to meet you.
You too. What's poppin'? So I hope you guys enjoyed that little shop with me in today's video. I was not planning on doing that at all, but let me tell you guys what happened, because first of all, we know luxury shopping can be kind of intimidating. I'm the first to say that I don't even really like to shop in luxury by myself, because I just feel like they're just standing over your shoulder the whole time. You can't really try on the item or get a good feel for what it is while trying to purchase it, because the sales associates are just there in your space. But today I had like the whole level to myself. I felt comfortable enough to try on my purchase, look in the mirror, take a few pictures to see what it would look like, to see if it fit my vibe, to see how I can kind of incorporate it with my wardrobe so I can get the best bang for my buck. You know, you want to take time when you're investing money into such an expensive piece. So I had the best sales associate, I had the best shopping experience, and you guys got to see Patricia. How freaking cool was that? I just ran into another YouTuber while shopping, and that was just a really cool experience all on its own. So if you guys are in the LA area, maybe you guys are traveling here, I would highly recommend you guys do some shopping at the Rodeo location, because that's my new favorite spot, and I definitely will be back to do some more shopping. But this is the bag that my purchase came in. I got one thing. Okay, it's not that crazy. I'm really happy that I was able to vlog, because you got to kind of see the different styles and compare them. So which one did you guys like better? Let me know in the comment section below. When it comes down to Louis Vuitton's sneaker selection, I feel like they're very timeless. Some of them are very crazy and out there, like the arc lights are very arched. They are very chunky and big when it comes down to a sneaker, but I feel like it's a type of sneaker that you can wear for a couple of years and you won't really get sick of it. Got the receipt. So I can tell you guys the exact style name. Definitely keeping the card, because the lady that helped me was incredible. She gave me my space. She left the whole level and let me do my thing, which is why I got to vlog. So you guys gotta thank her in the comments down below. So I ended up going with the Aftergame sneaker. Now they do have this style in a bunch of different shoes. So if you're looking for it, you're gonna, like, if you search Aftergame online, you're gonna have a bunch of options pop up. So of course we have the orange box with the cobalt blue ribbon on it. I love their shoe boxes. They are by far my favorite. They're super sturdy and they make for really good storage. So let's go ahead and get this ribbon off of here. I do have to say I love their sneakers that they have out now. They just recently launched a bunch of different styles. Some of them are more crazy and out there than others, but they definitely do have some classic sort of sneakers that would be great for every day, and sneakers that I would consider to be basics that would carry you into years in the future. So whenever I'm buying luxury, I always look at, or I think about, can I wear this in 2 years from now? Like, is it worth my money? I'm not trying to buy luxury for a trend, you know what I mean? Like, I want to be able to wear it day to day and really get the best bang for my buck. So with the shoe boxes, they have this little pull tab, and it's a drawer. Which is a little tight though. There's no graceful way to do that, but each shoe is wrapped in a drawstring dust bag. Now, this is my second pair of Louis Vuitton shoes. I do have the waterfront mules, which are monogram slides. So if you guys want to see what those look like and see my review on them, definitely check out the links below. But today I went with the Aftergame sock sneaker. Well, it's just the Aftergame shoe, but it is a sock sneaker. My dog is very nosy. Now, let me tell you guys the story about this. This was not the original Aftergame that I wanted. The original one I wanted, I will put a picture on the screen so you guys can see, like over here. That shoe is nowhere to be found in the United States. So I could not get that in my possession, so I got these. Now, these look a lot like the Balenciaga sock sneakers, except with the Louis Vuitton twist. So let me get these out of the bags and I can show you because they're both different. I just love this shoe so much. It's gonna go with everything. So each shoe, look at that, Louis Vuitton, love. This is so my style. I think it's more my style than the Balenciagas. I definitely had my eye on those, but I can't find it in me to leave Louis Vuitton for another designer brand. Like, I'm definitely a Louis Vuitton girl, like Louis until I die, okay, Louis gang. So I love that these are black and white, but you have a hint of the monogram canvas here on the pull tabs just to easily get the shoe on and off. This is all sock material, so it's really stretchy. It feels really lightweight when you're walking. I feel like I'm walking on a cloud. It does give you a little bit of height here with the sole, but it's not like a crazy arch, so it's super comfy if you have flat feet like myself. So when it comes down to the sizing of this shoe, I'm typically, you know, a 9 across all the board, but for some reason I was a 40 in this, which is comparable to a US 10. So personally with me, I would say size up if you're trying to get this shoe online and you don't have the time to, you know, go in store and try it out for yourself. And I know this shoe is also pretty hard to get, so I kind of just snatched it while I could. I also have to say, with the detail on the back, I love this little bit of gold hardware. Can you see that? It's very subtle. It kind of makes it a little bit more, you know what I'm saying? Like just a little bit of something extra, which is nice. And then it just says Louis Vuitton here on the back of the sole on both. And then the sole just has Louis Vuitton. Pretty simple shoe. This one is made in Italy. It'll tell you here on the bottom. So that is nice. Now, I plan on using this as an everyday sneaker. I got it actually to replace my Nikes that I wear all of the time. So this is gonna be a good errand shoe, run around the city type of shoe. You can pair it with your leggings on an off day when you're not going into the gym. I definitely don't plan on working out in these at all. I mean, I guess you could, but you will not find me hiking Runyon in these. That is a negative. But just like an everyday casual sneaker, this is something I highly recommend. It comes with a price tag of, I'm not gonna say tax because, you know, LA tax is expensive compared to other cities, but I will give you guys a little estimate on what it is without tax. $9.50 before tax, $90 in tax. So God bless you if you don't have to pay tax. So freaking comfortable. I definitely tried these on with an outfit that I would typically wear them with. That's kind of like my little hack for you guys if you're trying to do luxury shopping when it comes down to shoes, is try to wear an outfit that you want to wear those shoes with. That way you can fully see what it would look like on you, and if it's your style, does it fit your vibe? Can you mix and match it with a lot of things that you already own? And for me, I think this would be a definite yes, a definite must. And the perfect shoe for fall and winter because it does come up pretty high, so it's gonna keep your legs and your ankles nice and warm. And if I happen to have ashy ankles that day, you will not be able to tell because the shoe will cover all of that. So I have to say, Louis Vuitton did their thing with this Aftergame sneaker. I will definitely be back to pick up more of this style because they have them in a different color variations, like a red stripe detail. They have one that has monogram kind of imprinted into the actual material, which could be really cool for you as well. So definitely check these out on the website. I'm a big fan. I'm happy I got my hands on these because I was definitely looking for a designer sneaker. Of course, I didn't really know what designer I wanted to go with, but my heart obviously drew me back to everything that I know, which is Louis Vuitton. So I hope you guys enjoyed this shop with me vlog and my unboxing and first review. I will go ahead and insert some clips here so you can see what the shoe looks like on my feet. So if you're looking for something more for everyday, this is by far one that I recommend you guys get, or even just try on to see if you guys like it. So until next time, I will catch you dolls in my next video. Also, don't forget to go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and click the bell next to it so you dolls never miss a post. If you dolls like the style of video that I have today, then let me know down below because I thought it was definitely a different type of way to do a Louis Vuitton unboxing so you can kind of see more things and shop with me as I made my purchase. Oh, also too, I'll just leave down below more videos related to this in case you guys happen to be interested in other luxury purchases and you want to know like a review firsthand what I think. Not that my opinion really matters, but those videos will also be linked on the screen and in the description box for you guys. And you guys can find me on Instagram and I'm on Twitter all the time, posting whenever I'm not here on YouTube. So you can definitely check me out at akdoll. And until next time, I will catch you dolls in my next video. Bye!